So about 10 minutes has passed. I painted some rust proofing on, rust converter I mean. You can see it's turned black. I actually just put a little bit more on down there. Try and get into as many places I can while I can. I'll be able to get into these other places later, but if I get into here now, I might put a bit more up in there. Then it's treated. So I can get to some parts from inside the cab as well. There's some openings so I can reach down. I also took the opportunity to blow out whatever was left in there. So you can see this, whatever it is, I don't know what it is, mud, dust, bits of plants, cloths, something. This inner area is not very well designed. It's sort of almost like it's been designed to catch as much mud and dirt as possible coming off the wheel. So it's no surprise they rust in there. Anyway, I'm going to spot weld some pieces in.